What have we been thinking about social media all wrong? What if our training that the algorithm is king really isn't true? What if all our posting really is in vain? With the recent changes to reach on LinkedIn, I've been rethinking what we're doing on the platform and how we can make better use of the features that we do have rather than constantly be concerned about what we don't. And what we don't have is views on our posts. But LinkedIn offers us so many other opportunities. We can, instead of posting content continuously, we could hold events. Events are a great way to bring in new people to our LinkedIn profiles, to our pages, and to our presence on LinkedIn in general. People can get to know us through events, find out a bit more about what we know, and hopefully go away with some insights of their own. As well, we can also create long form content that serves a different purpose to posting. It's not all about the algorithm and the views and the engagement, at least not at first. It's all about longevity, about how to make sure that Google finds you in a search and your long form content, whether that's an article or a newsletter, comes up in that search. This is becoming even more important now with AI overviews. We want our content to be surfaced by AI and to be cited as a legitimate source. As well, of course, on LinkedIn, we have the opportunity to build relationships. And this is where I think LinkedIn is very underestimated. Where I think LinkedIn's best value is in networking. The ability to be able to meet people all over the world, get to know those who have synergies with us, begin collaborations, and generally build relationships, because it's those relationships, genuine relationships with people on a one-to-one basis, where the opportunity will come. There'll be people that you meet by referral, people you meet in groups, people you meet at events, or even people who are introduced to you. I think all of these probably hold the key to making LinkedIn work for us for the remainder of 2025 and into 2026. This is one way to get around the constraints of the algorithm and the downsides of AI. You need to show up in person, be yourself, be authentic, and be real. And that's where I'm going to be putting my attention for the rest of the year.